OpenAI Sora 2 model is insane. We built 100 plus UGC ads for our clients and 50 plus UGC has been viral till today.
Is Y food a ready-to-drink meal replacement? Heavenly hazelnut is my go-to. So good.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Sora 2 model to create any type of videos for your any type of business. For faster execution, I built one n8n workflow. So it convert your text into the video, image to video, means you can upload your product image and you will get viral UGC ads for your brand. So all you have to do, just upload the image, then after text to video by using a prompt. This third workflow is very useful if you don't know how to type a prompt. I will show you all these three workflow. First of all, we starting with text to video model. First it start with manual execution. So I just added one manual execution node and then after video prompt node. So you can click here and you can see it contained one prompt. In this demo video, I used this prompt. You can see a realistic cinematic morning scene of young man waking up to sunlight in a cozy modern apartment. So read this full prompt and then I will show you the result. And then after third, I added key AI. So I used the key AI to access the OpenAI Sora 2 model. As you know, Sora 2 model is very expensive to use. So I just used the key AI. You can see key AI charges is 6x cheaper than OpenAI. Sora 2 price is 0.015 per second and OpenAI charging a 0.10 per second. So this is the 6x cheaper. As key AI directly not available here, so we use the HTTP to access the key AI API. In this third node, you can see we use the key AI. First of all, I provided n8n and key AI link in the description. You can access that, and I also provided this full workflow without any cost. So all you have to do, just click on 3 tab here and then after import from file, and then you have to select the file name. You can see the full workflow is here. Let's go to the topic and you can see the third node is HTTP API. If you are importing this full workflow, then you have to type your API key. So go to key I and make your new account and then after go to API key section and you can see the API key is here and then go to again in HTTP node here and you have to type your key here and make sure to add 5 to 10 bucks in this billing section of key I. So you can see I just added my authorization value here. In this case, you can see HTTP request used many times. You can see 2, 4, 6 times used here. So you have to just save your credentials here. So in authentication, you have to select the generic credential type and then after header auth here and go to create a new credentials in header auth section. And then after you can see in name, you have to type authorization. In value section, you have to type a bearer and your API key. And you can also change the name like we are using as a key AI. You can name as per your requirement and then save button. I already have credentials connected here, so I just closing this one. After it goes to wait node and then after I added main HTTP key AI for video generation. In this request, all you have to do, just select the name here. So you can see key AI n8n. After adding a header credential, you don't need to type again and again. And then after I added the if node, so you can see if video is generated, then it goes to the video URL. If the video URL is not generated, then it again goes to wait section, wait node. So it took maybe 2 to 5 minutes as per the video and the video side. So you have to wait some minutes. Then after your video URL is here, you can see you have this video URL. You can copy from here and then paste in new tab. So you can see it downloaded. Let's check Sora to build useful video or not. So I just opening this video here. It's playing
here. Morning never gets old.
It's a 10-second video, but it's very good. Again, see our main prompt. We need one realistic cinematic morning scene of young man. So that made very good video. So I just like that result. Okay, and then after second workflow is image to video. In this, you can upload the image here. If the image is available in your computer, then go to imagekit.io and make a new account. Then after go to a media library section. I also provided this link in the description. Then after go to new section and file upload. Then you can easily add the photo here. Then go to the photo here and you can see the URL is available here. Copy here and paste to see it's working or not. So I'm just pasting that URL. You can see images here and then go to n8n and paste that URL here. So you can see executed successfully. And after second node is contain the prompt. So I just changing this prompt here. So you can see the prompt is here. So I added a 5 food hazelnut flavor bottle. So I also mentioned that, and this prompt created by ChatGPT. So back to canvas and you can see our third node is what the using a HTTP request to use a key AI. Our fourth node is same as wait node and then after HTTP request node. So this is the main one, also executing this tab here. So it's waiting some time. So you can see second workflow is executed successfully. So in first You have to add manual execution, because after adding this node your full workflow will execute. So I will show you in third workflow, but you can see our video URL is here. Let's see the URL. So we have this URL here, just paste here in new tab, and we have video downloaded here. So let's check that. So I added this package already, you know that. Okay,
This is Y Food, a ready-to-drink meal replacement. Heavenly hazelnut is my go-to. So good.
so it looking very good and made 100% real. So play again.
This is Y Food,
So it
a
looking very
ready-to-drink meal
good,
replacement.
and the leap
Heavenly hazelnut is my
motion
go-to.
it also
So
good.
good.
But you can see one
Heavenly
is
hazelnut.
not as per the standard. You can see here, this is the bottle cap here and it drinking with cap, but it's not real. In this case you have to create multiple UGC for the same product. So we generally creating 2 to 3 UGC ads for the same product, and then after we will combine it together, and then after combine we will create a very high impact. So you can trim this and you can remove this small portion. Okay, so it is very good and it is as per the standard. So let's back to canvas again. Let's remove this one, because only you can add one manual execution node here. So I just connecting here. You can see right now we have this AI agent connected with chat model. So this is very useful, because we are not a prompt engineer, so we are typing very rough language, but this workflow transferring your normal text into professional prompt. So you can see AI agent here, and then after same as per the first here. Okay, so you can execute this workflow by this tab. So full workflow execute at the same time. So if you see here, we didn't added the curl here. Okay, so if you want to generate like 10, 15, 20, then you have to type the curl here. If you are trying a first time, then you don't need to type a curl here. Okay, so how to access that? So go to key AI, type this URL, and you can see we have this text to video model. So if you want to put the on first workflow, then first of all put here. So you can see text to video, and just we are using a post. So go to at the last, and you can see curl is here, copy and paste here. You can easily paste here. Right now it's not creating any trouble. So back to canvas, and then after again follow the same and copy from here and paste here. Okay, and for this you have to change the curl URL. You can see here. So go to SAM page, and you can see image to video. So add to image to video, click here and then post, and then you can see we have this request example. Copy from here and paste here, and then after change the API key. Okay, and then import button. So make sure to change in this both node. Okay, so I provided all the links in the description. You can also download full workflow and import from here. If you want to create any type of custom automation for your any type of businesses, then I provided my calendar link in the description, and I also a part-time consultant. I provided cal.com link in the description. You can book a 1 hour AI consultancy session. So I hope you like this video. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.